Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parks and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. I got another freshwater engine here. This one is a 1984 25 horse Evinrude. This one has been checked out. It is obviously tiller model, 20-inch shaft. This one has 126 PSI on both cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the prop that is on it. I do not guarantee that to be the right prop for your boat. New impeller, the fuel system was cleaned, and then new lower unit lube. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. This is a manual start. This is not electric. It's not that hard to pull over, but I got a boat right behind me, and I'd rather pull it hard right away and get it to pop off rather than busting my elbow on a boat. Pumping good water. It is two-stroke. Turn the fan on here. Go ahead and pop it in here. Forward. Having two engines in one tank, the 40 started moving there on me. Neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.